April showers, wildfire smoke, and pollen.
Horrible, can't sleep.
All of it is hurting DFW's air quality and leaving many suffering from allergies.
Just a lot of sneezing.
The wind is only making it worse, but that's not holding people back.
Now step on the corner.
The Fort Worth Botanic Garden was bustling on Friday.
I love you, little cutie.
But for those suffering from allergies, being outside can be tough.
This one, neither one of them are up to par.
And I couldn't sleep.
Couldn't sleep at all?
No.
Nature is waking up and people are feeling it.
It's crazy. Like, you need goggles on to go outside.
The mask definitely does help.
Just look at the latest pollen count. Oak, hackberry, and maple pollen are all high. Friday, air quality in the DFW area was intermediate.
We're seeing the air decline in its quality, and that's causing symptoms in patients.
That's Dr. David Winter with Baylor Scott & White Health. He says if you have respiratory issues, you should avoid spending a lot of time outside. He saw a spike in patients with respiratory issues this week.
We're seeing more this week than last week, and if you look outside at the trees, you can actually notice the reason why.
MedStar is getting one trouble breathing call every hour, with 30 calls yesterday alone. That's the norm this time of year, but all this stuff flying in the air isn't good for Molly Ramirez.
I just moved to Texas from Maine. It has been the most violent allergies I've ever experienced.
There are only a few weeks to see nature's explosion of colors, so people are powering through the sniffles.
You gotta get out when you can.
In Fort Worth,
We're going to get under the mat instead of on the mat. Okay.
Very smart.
I'm Adriana De Alba.